What is a DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name Systems. You'll see the definition online as a phone book of the internet, and that's pretty much how it works. A person is linked to a number, just like how a website is linked to an IP. Let's ping a website like google.com. If you're on a computer, you can follow along as well. If not, just watch. If you're on Windows, use Command Prompt, and if you're on Mac, use Terminal. I'm going to be using Command Prompt because I am Windows. So let's put the command ping and then the website google.com. When I'm pinging google.com, it's using the DNS server to resolve that name to the IP. Gave me 4 pings, giving me this IP address to this name. So I'm gonna copy this, put it in. Once I put this in, it's just gonna take me to google.com. Right? Now we're at Google. Now this isn't the only IP address Google has. I think they have like hella IPs, but this is the one that's closest to me. I'll do a video about that later. It's mostly like load balancing. Now in a company, we would want our own internal DNS server. This would allow us to set up a static IP to a server name for the company network. So instead of using the IP address to reach it, we can use the server name, like how we did with google.com. Here's an example. In Google Map or Apple Maps, you can set your home address. So here is home, right? And then here's the address, 532 The Trenches Avenue. Now let's say you purchase a new house, right? Bigger and better. We want to change our home address and our app to the new address. So, boom, here's the new house. Here's our old house, and we're gonna replace it with the new one. And now, home is now going to 291 We Getting Money Street, right? So anytime I put home in on my app, it's gonna go to the new house. Now let's say it's going to yumyum.com, right? And it's pointing towards the server, right? It's pretty small. It's not the beefiest. But let's say we want to create a new server, right? Just like a new house. We would update the DNS record, remove the old rinky-dink one, and point yumyum.com to this big ass one. It's kind of one of the reasons why DNS servers are pretty good.